I was lucky enough to get an early Christmas gift. It's a monthly collection of scientific artifacts from boxofmatter.com. Link is in the description below. Let's see what's inside. Here's what is inside the box. To start with, we have lepidolite mica. Here is the NASA control room computer chip. Here's some rare earth magnets. Let me test it out for you. Here's a Mosasaurus tooth. Here's some baobab seeds. And here's a self-inverting tippy top. That will, if you spin it, it will go down. So that's everything I received in my first month's box from boxofmatter.com. This is a pretty cool collection of scientific artifacts. I'm pretty impressed by what I got and recommend this for kids and adults. I can't wait to see what I get next month.